In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Google Bard extensions because these extensions are really powerful and paired with the right prompt, you can get great information out of these. So what we want to do is go to Bard, and if you go to Bard and go to this puzzle piece in the top right hand corner, you will then see extensions, and you can learn more about extensions here. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see 5 different extensions. These are all Google products and you can turn these on. So you've got Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, Google Workspace, and YouTube. And you can create prompts based around these extensions and get really informative data and information. So I like the Google Flights and Google Hotels feature, and if you pair it with Google Maps as well, it does a really good job. You can use this for work as well. With Google Workspace, you can ask it to filter through emails, through documents, and I'm going to show you some of these prompts and how you would use it in this video. So if we go to new chat, maybe we want to use Google Bard to plan a trip, to use the Google Flights extension to find good flights, and then maybe we want to use Google Maps as well to essentially ask Bard to show us where the best places to go are. So let me say here, I am planning a trip to fly from London to Bangkok. I want to go between January and March. Give me the best times to go based on flight price. Also recommend me 5 of the best coffee shops to visit based on Google reviews. Now, because Google has all of this data about literally all of these topics, we're going to get a really advanced answer to this. So we'll click enter, and we'll just see what it says and what it gives us. It's going to show us some flights, and it's going to show us in a very visual format. So here we've got the Google Flights extension, the Google Maps extension, both working to generate us an answer. So we've got here January 29th to February 29th. I forgot to tell it how long I want to go for, so that is my bad. I searched for the cheapest flights from London to Bangkok, traveling between January and March. The cheapest flights are on the 29th of January, returning on the 29th of February. Priced from £460 round trip, which is actually very cheap. So then they found some information based on the best time to visit Bangkok and 5 coffee shops, which you can see here, they show on Google Maps. This is really, really cool, guys. And then you scroll down and you've got the flight that you would get on. So the cheapest one is 47-hour travel time. Let me say here, I only want to go for a week and I only want a travel time of 20 hours or less. And that's obviously including layovers, and we'll see what happens now. All right, so it looks like it is writing its response here. So again, we've got the coffee shop's recommendations. We've also got more flights here, and these are going to be the cheapest flights, and it's gave us a week date. So that's Google Bard. The extensions are really powerful. You can get really creative with this and use it for whatever use case you have. I hope that video helped you out and gave you some explanation on how to use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.